Hey YouTube, it's Freddy here, and today guys I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 13.5 for A12 and A13 devices using AltStore. Now this jailbreak has been out for like 1 month or more, but as I want to post jailbreak tweaks, I thought that I should start with a jailbreaking tutorial. Now as for Unc0ver Jailbreak, it supports devices running iOS 12.4 to iOS 13.5. So if your A12, A13 device doesn't run 13.5 or lower, unfortunately you cannot jailbreak now. Now as I've mentioned before, I'm going to use AltStore to install the jailbreaking app, which is Unc0ver, to my iPhone and then jailbreak my iPhone. To do so, you need to download AltStore from this link. You go here and download it for your device. I use Windows, so I'm going to click here and it will start downloading. Now you need also to install iTunes. This will be pre-installed if you have a Mac device, and as for Windows, if you have installed it from Microsoft, you need to remove it and then install it from here. You go to this page, scroll down and go to Windows. From here, download it if you are running 64-bit device. So I'm just going to click here and it will start downloading. Once you have all of these files downloaded, you need to install iTunes first. You double click it and here you will get an install option which you can select and start the installation process. But as I have it installed in my device, I'm going just to cancel. If you are using Windows, you need to extract Alt Installer before installing it. So I'm going just to extract it here, and now double click Alt Installer and click next, next, and this will install the Alt Installer to your computer. Now in order to install the AltStore app to your iPhone, you're going to go here and search for AltServer. Now open AltServer and you will have its icon here, and open AltServer. You will not get a window for AltServer. You just go here and you will have two icons, or one icon for AltServer. Click it and click on install AltStore. You'll have your iPhone's name here. So I'm going to click on my iPhone and enter my Apple ID and password. And now as you can see, you will have the AltStore icon on your home screen. Now we need to install the Unc0ver Jailbreaking app by sideloading it using the AltStore. And to download the Unc0ver app, you can go to Safari and go to this link and click open in AltStore. So just open and it will start installing and signing this app for you. So now you will have Unc0ver signed to your device for only 7 days. If you need to refresh these 7 days, you have to connect it to AltStore. Make sure to open it in your computer and then click refresh, and it will refresh the certificate for you for another 7 days. Or you can use a jailbreak tweak called reprovision. This will re-sign the Unc0ver app without the need of the computer. So now we will start jailbreaking the iPhone. I have iPhone 11 here on iOS 13.5 as I've mentioned before. Now I'm going just to disable Find My iPhone from the iCloud settings. So you go to settings and to your account here and go to Find My iPhone here and make sure it is off. And if it was on, just to click here and disable it. Now we will go to Unc0ver Jailbreaking app and click jailbreak. And as you can see here, it says jailbreak completed. So I'm just going to click on OK here and it will respringboard the iPhone. And now we're going to install Cydia and complete the jailbreaking process by entering Unc0ver again and click jailbreak. And now we are at 30 out of 31, so I'm just going to click OK. And now I'm going just to open my iPhone. Now if you reopen Unc0ver app, you will have here re-jailbreak, and by this we know we have successfully jailbreaked our iPhone. So I'm going just to enter Cydia. So now I have this screen. I'm going just to upgrade Essential and click confirm here, and it will upgrade Cydia packages for me. Now I will just close Cydia and re-enter Cydia. Wait for this icon to be gone. Now that's great, you can install tweaks now. And now as you can see, Cydia is running perfectly, basically functioning well. So you can install Cydia tweaks from here, you can add sources from here, And in next videos I will be posting Cydia tweaks. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, and if you need a written tutorial for what you've seen here, I will leave a link down below. Thank you for watching. Peace out.